Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a complete guide on how to use Google Drive. So Google Drive is basically, let me search for it for you guys. So Google Drive is a product of Google. You can access it from anywhere. You just need one ID, that is a Google email ID. So here, if I just go to the application, and by the way, I have already signed in by using my Google ID. So to sign in, you have to simply, you can search for anything, right? For anything. So you can go for Gmail and you can sign in into your account. And once you get signed in into your account, automatically Google will integrate and sync with all its product. So you have to just use a single any one of the browser and automatically you can access all this Google product. You can search for Google Drive directly from here, and by the way, these are all the application of Google, right? So you just need a Google ID, and once you have logged in once, you will able to use it all this application. So you don't need to log in again and again and again. No, it's fine. So from here you can just go and access Google Drive, right, which is here, or you can also go and search for Google Drive on Google or any one of this browser. Now just open it. If you are using a Google browser on some any other browser, it's fine. You have to just use your Gmail ID and you will land up here. Now in Google Drive, you will find it here on the left side. There's a lot of menus and you can see it's completely blank because there's just, I will show you the complete example here. Now this is a Google Drive. You can download it for your desktop if you're using in your system. This is a home, right? This is a My Drive. My Drive, it means whatever thing you have access with the other people or have shared with you. Let me show an example. So you can see here, this is a home and this is all these videos which I'm using right now and the documents which is uploaded here, right? And this will show me, summary and everything, right? So Gemini got integrated in Google. So there's a lot of different things here. You can access it in a different view, different way, and much more better. In Drive sections, all these folders which I've uploaded will show up here. And here you can see there's nothing because it's completely a new drive here and there's a nothing is uploaded here. So to upload it, first of all, you can just go and click on computer and you need to sync so that automatically all the files which is it will get currently synced with the Google Drive. So whatever changes you will make in your computer, automatically it will happen in Drive. So it might be sound confusing, but for now, just go to My Drive or Home, right? And if you want to upload something, so just go and click on New, right? So you can create folder. So to upload any of the document, videos or whatever, so you can upload in Google Drive anything, right? And you can just make it in a very segregated way, very managed way by using folders and everything. And here you can see these are the products of Google. So automatically, if you're using a Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slides, and much more things will automatically get saved to your Google Drive. So first of all, let's start uploading something. So simply you have to just go to your any one space. Now let's say if I want to upload this image, so what I will do, I will just drag it and put it here and automatically it will get uploaded here. There's a lot more ways. So for example, here you can see here, click on new folder and you can create new folder, and here you will find this option of file upload. So click on file upload. This is how it's going to open, and here now I can select this entire image and it will get uploaded. Now if there's already existing image or existing similar file is available here, I mean same file, then it will ask you to keep both files or replace. I will just go and click on keep both, and this is how it's going to upload it here. So you can upload documents, images, videos, and anything whatever you want. Right, now if you want to upload a complete file, so you can also upload it. The first method is obviously you can drag it and put it here, or you can just go and click on folder update. Now here you can just upload your entire folder, right? So that is really easy thing to do. Now once you have uploaded, obviously you can just download it. So I can just go and click on, I can just select one of the section here, and here this is a share, so I can share it with anybody. So if I share with you, then you can download this entire image, you can access it. To share it, I will explain it later, but this is how you can download this. Now let's say if I want to download this image, and let me change the view here. Now I want to download this image, I will just go and click on download, and within few seconds scanning for viruses. And once the virus get complete, I mean once the scanning has been completed, you can see here it's got downloaded. Now I can access the same image directly in my folder. And right now this is called move. So move is basically if you're having too many folders, then you can move it. For example, there's a, let me show you up, let me just make a folder for you guys to show you up. Now this is called folder 1. Now inside that folder I can save anything. Now let's say if I want to move it, so I can just directly cut it and paste it here, but this is a much better way. You can just go and click on move, and it will automatically identify all the folders which you have. Now I want to move inside this folder. If let's say there's another folder inside this folder, you can double click on it and it will open something like this. Right now this folder is empty, so I want to move it here, click on move, and it got moved instantly. Now you can see here this image is inside this folder, right? So this is pretty much easy. Now let's say if I want to share something, right? Now here I have to click on the three dots. Now I want to share this specific image. So here I can download this, rename this, and this is a make a copy, share, organize, and there's a lot more features here. And if you want to delete this, you can always click on move to bin, and it will be available in the bin. In the bin, it will be available for 30 days and automatically it will get deleted. So if by mistakenly if you have deleted something, you can always recover from bin. I will show you. So let's click on the three dots. Now click on share. You can directly copy the link, and once copied the link and just share it with anybody, and you can paste the link and they will able to access. But obviously you can see here that the access is not complete. For example, you want to give access to very specific people. So how you can do this? So you can do this in this way. Click on the three dots, click on share, again click on share, and here you can click on restricted. Restricted means you have to enter the email ID of specific person to share only with them. So not everybody can access it even if they have the link. So for example, if I copy this link and let me just go to incognito, right? And if I just go to the incognito here and paste it the entire URL, and you can see here this is asking me to sign in. And even though if I sign in, you can see here you need access to access this exact folder. So I cannot access until and unless I am given permission. So I can only be given permission if I have the email. So for example, let me just copy this email, and once I select this email, automatically it will notify that person and I will click on send. And you guys, now you can see that I can access that exact image by using my different email, right? So this is so easy and so simple to do this, right? And it's really simple. And you will also get an email on your email that you have received file access, so you can also access it from there. Now, how to check who have shared with you? So you can check it from directly from here. So for example, I can just go to my here and share it with me, and you can see here all these folders which is shared with me in past is showing up here, right? So this is simple, easy, and you can just go to the recent. This is shared. If you have liked any of the images, any of the documents, so you can save it as a favorite. This is a spam, so obviously spam is for the spam, right? And this is a bin, and this is storage, so it will show you the exact storage of your Google Drive. So right now it is of 15 GB. You can get more storage if you just go and buy the subscription, right? So the subscription costs depend on country to country. So guys, this was the exact information which I wanted to give you on Google Drive, and I completed from basic to advanced. And thanks for watching this video, and subscribe.